Alright, let's unbox something every website owner needs. This is Screpy, available right now on AppSumo. First impressions, super clean packaging, modern design vibes. Let's dive in and see what's inside the dashboard. Here's the main screen. Everything looks organized and intuitive. No clutter, just a streamlined dashboard for your site's health. Right away, I noticed the AI-powered analysis tools. You get instant insights into your website's performance. Let's try the Site Audit tool, just one click to start. It quickly scans for SEO issues and technical errors. Results are visualized clearly, no confusing jargon. I love how actionable the suggestions are. Now let's check out the keyword tracking feature. Add your keywords and Screpy tracks rankings in real time. You can even monitor competitors' keywords side by side. The trend graphs make it easy to spot ranking changes. For e-commerce, this is a game changer. Let's look at the AI article writer next. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. Type your topic and it generates high-quality content fast. Perfect for busy marketers needing quick blog posts. Now, uptime monitoring, vital for any online business. Screpy's Uptime Checker gives real-time alerts if your site drops. Detailed reports help you spot recurring downtime issues. I appreciate the instant notifications, no more surprises. The rank tracker is another highlight. It displays keyword positions and SERP trends visually. You can compare multiple campaigns at a glance. Everything updates in real time, no manual refreshing. For agencies, this saves so much reporting time. I'm impressed by how everything is in one place. No need to juggle multiple tools or tabs. The AI-based insights genuinely help prioritize tasks. Even beginners can understand what needs fixing. I tested Screpy with my own site. Within minutes, I found optimization opportunities I'd missed. The competitor analysis gave me fresh keyword ideas. Content generation was fast and surprisingly relevant. Uptime checks caught a late-night server hiccup instantly. Overall, Screpy feels like a pro-level toolkit. If you want to boost your SEO and site health, I highly recommend grabbing Screpy on AppSumo today. Check the link below for the best deal right now.